Hey y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Whew. Y'all, I'm about to have some breakfast, get my morning started straight, okay? So let's start off with Psalms 118:24, okay? Today is the day that Jehovah has made, and I'm going to be happy and rejoice in it, okay? So, rejoice in it. I almost said that wrong, but y'all get what I'm saying. So amen on that. So y'all, I'm about to get started with my breakfast, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to eat. So this is what I'm having: some strawberries with some cottage cheese and honeydew melon. Yum yum yum. All right, y'all. So so y'all saw what I ate for breakfast, okay? So I had my little cottage cheese, my strawberries, and my honeydew melon, okay? So you know, I now changed and everything and got ready to start my day. So in this video blog, I am going to be discussing and preparing one of the most, I ain't gonna say the most important, I'm gonna be sharing with y'all my little recipe, okay, for a very good vegetable that I think we can have if you don't have certain other issues or anything like that. And that vegetable has a lot of good benefits and everything, but you still have to be careful. That vegetable is our pretty bok choy, and I will put that right here somewhere, either or I will put it somewhere up in here. What a bok choy look like. You can get it from your local grocery stores and different things like that. So bok choy, all right, so let's see. Bok choy is a leafy green vegetable native to China, okay? People often use it in Asian cuisine, all right? It offers a wide variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidants and fiber that are good for your health. In fact, bok choy may be beneficial for your heart health, bone health, and thyroid function. It may even have anti-cancer properties, okay? It say you may want to eat it in cooked form to reduce your intake of myros. I'ma spell it for you, okay? MYROSINASE, okay? Which is a compound that could interfere with iodine absorption. That said, this may only be an issue if you consume bok choy raw in large amounts. Eating bok choy in typical serving sizes is generally not a concern. Bok choy is high in vitamin K, so you may want to eat less or avoid it if you take blood thinning medication, okay? If you are concerned about this, ask your healthcare provider for guidance. Now, I am in no way a doctor, a physician, or anything like that. I am just showing with y'all what I'm eating to make sure that I stay healthy. Those of you that may not know, I suffer from anxiety, depression, always have. I have GERD. Recently, I've had my gallbladder removed. And due to eating the wrong way, just indulgent, I end up having a flare-up of psoriasis, okay? And I've never had that, but finding that out now is like, okay, I need to eat better. So with all that being said, that's the only issues that I have. So I can eat bok choy, but I will eat it still in moderation. So ask your doctors, physician, or whoever if you're taking any other medication or have issues, as they said. You can use bok choy in a number of ways, such as raw in a salad, cooked in soup, or added to a stir fry or fried rice dish. Now, when it comes to my vegetables, especially like salads, it's a reason why I stopped eating a lot of salads is because of my GERD, my digestive issues. A lot of people think eating raw things like salads and stuff is very, very good. Especially if you have a problem with digestion, with digesting food, it can be very hard to digest. Okay, so I try to cook all my vegetables as possible. So I'm going to stop giving you the information part of it, and we're going to get to the cooking part. Almost the best part, right? So let's go ahead, go in here, get in the kitchen, and prepare this bok choy. Okay, y'all, so the other day I chopped up my bok choy. Okay, so I need to rewash it because I am going to be cooking it. So this is just chopped bok choy. Okay, so I am about to get it rewashed. Make sure it is thoroughly clean, and so I can get it started to be cooked. Alright, lot of bok choy. I'm going to wash it really, really good. Make sure it is clean thoroughly. Now, when you're washing your greens and stuff, y'all, make sure, because I have forgotten sometimes, make sure it's in cold water, because you don't want to start the cooking process before you have to. You do not want to do that. So make sure it is in cold water. And I put salt in mine, okay? I'll make sure the salt is washed out of them. But I put salt in mine. That is how I wash my produce and stuff, y'all. So I'm trying to get this done for lunch early. I'm gonna wash these a couple times. Oh, that water cold. That water is so cold. Okay, y'all, so my bok choy has been cleaned. My next thing is to cut up an onion to go in it. So I got this onion. Now, onion is supposed to be an anti-inflammatory. Okay, so it's supposed to reduce inflammation in the body. Because inflammation in the body is not good, okay? I got some green onions from that I had frozen and stuff like that. That I cut up the other day. It probably was on the other channel. But I cut it up and put those in the freezer. So right now I have this onion that I just want to cut up. This is gonna add some flavor because y'all, we're using less processed stuff as possible. So I'm not using garlic powder that's bought from the store, onion powder that's bought from the store, all that stuff that's been processed. I'm trying to use it in its natural form. So fresh onion, okay, fresh onion. And since they going in greens, I want to have them like this, okay? Ooh, my eyes. So I am going to finish chopping this onion up, and then we'll get on to my next step. And y'all, these recipes that I'm doing, I normally like to come up with my recipes, like take things and see what they would go with, and just have fun with it. That's the main thing, have fun with it. But the goal is to make sure everything is natural as possible. I don't want nothing that I don't have to have out of the store. You know, some things, but the majority of the things I want to be natural as possible. So I think that's about, let's see, gonna be enough onions, because I am gonna put the other onions in there. And these are my green onions that I chopped. Alright y'all, so I am about to drop my onions in here first, because I want to get them going. Okay, I want to get them going in here. Go ahead and turn it on. I want to get them kind of smothered down and cooked a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in, get those flavors, the aroma and everything like that going. So I got those onions, and I'm about to put, I got some leeks in there, but I don't want to, you know, overpower. So I'm going to use some of my frozen green onions that I cut up the other day. Off of in here. Yes. Good amount of onions. Up in there, up in there, up in there. Alright. And then that's gonna be it. That's my flavor. I did not buy no garlic. I should have bought some garlic, some fresh garlic, but that will be on my list. So let me get these. Oh, let me wash my hands first. Alright y'all, so some people have GERD like I do. I have GERD, okay? And onions has been one thing that used to make me scared to eat. But once you get your GERD under control, when you eating healthy and clean, I have found it don't even bother me like that. So everybody's body is different, okay? Everybody's body is different. So you just, you know, heal your gut first, and then you may be able to tolerate it. Never know. But yeah, that's what I have found. But you put in what you can tolerate if you have GERD. I'm using sea salt, okay? Sea salt. Okay. Not too much. And we're gonna let that get hot, and then I'll bring you back. Well, you know what? This is what it looks like in there. So let me go ahead and saute that up, and I'll bring y'all back. Y'all, this is how they looking. So they've been cooking for probably about an hour, okay? Because I had a lot in there. Now you can saute yours. All right, y'all. So I have some right here. It's going on. What's going on? All right, y'all. So I have some right here. This is how it looks. Woo! And we're about to give it a taste test. Now it kept fogging up or whatnot because it's hot. Okay, because it's hot. But what in the world? My camera doing something crazy. So let's see. It's hot. I don't want to burn my tongue. Oh, yeah. The stems is my favorite. The stems remind me of turnip roots. My tripod tripping. It's slowly turning that way. Turnip roots. Oh, cook them like that, the greens almost remind me of turnips. Oh my goodness. Oh. my god. Y'all. You don't need no meat. No nothing. No meat, no nothing. Simple, easy. I ain't use no seasoned salt, all that type of stuff. None of that stuff. Just them onions and that sea salt, and it's just so good. Alright, y'all, so y'all was able to see the bok choy. It is so good, y'all. I'm not telling y'all no story. It is so good. It is so good. So I am going to, so I cooked a big pot of it. There is a big pot of it, so we'll have some. And then the big thing about it is I can freeze it now. It is cooked. I can freeze it. Yes, so freezing it allow us to eat off in that you know, for a while or whatnot, to add it with different meals or whatever the case may be. I love cooking to where I don't add a lot of seasonings. Not adding a lot of seasonings, you're able to taste the earthiness of the vegetable. You know what you're eating. You get, oh, that's bok choy. You know, that's what I like. So you season it to your liking. The way I season it was just fine. Okay, I don't like salty stuff. I like to know, I like it to be in this form as much as possible. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this cooking video. Expect plenty more, or I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about the item that I am cooking. If there's information to give, some of it probably won't be if I'm doing sides and dishes and stuff like that. Probably won't have any information, but certainly the vegetables and doing them this way, because a lot of y'all say you don't, you know, you may not have ever had bok choy and you want to know. And it is a mild taste. It reminds me of turnip greens. It does. And turnip roots. That's what it's kind of remind me of, and it is so good. So y'all, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank y'all for coming in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Bye.